Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about the special kit from SpeechGears. So the one which I'm holding right now is a hard one. So we have two categories in this. One is the hard one and another is the soft one. So in details I will be talking about that also. So you just have to lift it up and that's how we open the box. And this is the beautiful box. So yes, so what you have to do is like you have to just push your thumb, yes, and that is how we open. So this is the special kit as you can see, okay. So it has all the tools which we'll be using for our oral cavity, including our cheeks, lips, tongue, jaw, hard palate and everything. So as we know that oral cavity is mainly for our speech clarity, swallowing and feeding. So we'll be discussing about all these tools in details. So today we are going to talk about talk tip. So this is the third attachment of P pen. So talk tip has a loop and then a circle, and then these are the three circles these are called as sensory circles. So talk tip has mainly functions of, as the name itself expresses, talk tip, so which will help in talking. So the prime articulator which a talk tip will work is your tongue. So Angel, you have to keep your tongue inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this you can work on tongue protrusion and also working on formulation of tongue tip. Next, we will talk about how we can work on tongue tip lateralization. So keep your tip, yes, stiff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tight, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how we work on tongue lateralization. Lateralization of tongue is very much important in our oral cavity. Next, we'll talk about how we can increase the buccal space in our oral cavity. So working on that, slide in the talk tip and then push it outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and slide it outside. Work on both the sides. I did it on the left side, do it on the right side as well. Next function is tongue retraction. Tongue retraction is important for production of your palatal sounds. So yes, put your tongue, open your mouth, yes, and now yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so that's how we work on tongue retraction. There are multiple functions of talk tip and how to use the talk tip, how much force should be applied, how to hold it. Please refer to our OSIT course. Thank you.